I got something to tell you. The Kitchen Journal is making a cafe, and we named it Country Cafe, where right now we are at the construction site, and this is how it looks like after almost a month of building. We are still working on the flooring. As you can see, there are still pipes hanging around. Some of the electrical pipes and plumbing setup are already there. So we are having some cold feet because it's in the middle of pandemic and we are building this thing. It's called Country Cafe because we are in the countryside and we are surrounded with trees all around here. Let me show you a 360 turn. We're hoping to give a countryside vibe, countryside feel that is, and yeah, looking forward to it. As you can still hear some wild birds and singing birds early in the morning. Even in the afternoon, you can hear a choir of chickens. So oftentimes there's a bit in the afternoon that you can hear a choir of crickets. Ganges, that is. Countryside feel. What else can I say? We're in the middle of nature. We hope to give something different, so there will be outdoor seating most of the part of the cafe. We are trying to surround ourselves with trees, nature, that feeling of the countryside. So we serve native coffee from the Philippines, of course, and we also have our local coffee in the surrounding, right? Like over there are a bunch of coffee plants. So I hope you will stick around in this channel, subscribe if you haven't yet. We'll be having a lot of recipes coming up, like natural way of preparing things. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Ciao. looking forward to put cement tomorrow. Quite deep, huh? More than I expected. But yeah. So this is day 4 and we are putting the column. Day 4. Third day pa dapat. So 170 centimeters depth, deep. Okay. Saka paghulog ano sa hook waste, it will muadtos ilalim ng hugaw, and then mutundag, and then ang liquid mo ani diri dayon unsa man ni ikaduha the liquid ani siya puro dayon ikatulong liquid puro liquid tinaw. So what it does is it has 4 chambers. The waste will go down there and the solid waste will sink and the liquid waste will overflow on the second chamber and then again to the third chamber and then to the fourth chamber, which I suppose is going to be more clearer than the previous 2 chambers. So that's how it's going to be. That's the septic tank, ladies and gentlemen. They will finish it with flooring and walling as well. Finish it up with cement so that to smoothen it up. Alright. Okay.